Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before making a presentation, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Zalfa Fidati Fajrin and I'm from Syariah Accounting A Win Madura. Today, I would like to present a topic entitled Spiritual Literacy. I apologize in advance if there are any mistakes during my presentation. Spiritual literacy is a person's ability to understand, internalize, and integrate spiritual values in everyday life, so that they become a guideline for thinking, behaving, and acting meaningfully, ethically, and responsibly. It is not only about religious knowledge, but about how spiritual values shape attitudes and behavior. It serves as a foundation for balancing worldly life and inner life. Definition of spiritual literacy. Spiritual literacy is an individual's ability to conclusively and reflectively understand, internalize, and practice spiritual values in daily life. Spiritual literacy is not merely about religious knowledge, but also encompasses an awareness of the meaning of life, the purpose of human existence, and the relationship with God, fellow human beings, and the universe. Simply put, spiritual literacy can be understood as an inner competence that helps a person recognize the value of truth, goodness, and justice, exercise self-control in various life situations, make spiritual values the basis for thinking, behaving, and acting. Thus, spiritual literacy is not just a ritual activity, but the ability to unite spiritual values with the reality of modern life. Nature of spiritual literacy. The essence of spiritual literacy lies in a person's deep awareness of the meaning of life and the purpose of their existence. In other words, the essence of spiritual literacy is the integration of knowledge, inner awareness of concerned behavior. Essence of spiritual literacy. The essence of spiritual literacy lies in humanity deep awareness of the meaning of life and the purpose of its existence. Humans are not only rational and social beings, but also spiritual beings who require inner peace, direction in life, and a relationship with the Almighty. Spiritual literacy helps humans understand life not only from a material aspect, realize that every action has moral and spiritual value, make makes conscience a compass in decision making. In other words, the essence of spiritual literacy is the integration of knowledge, inner awareness, and actual behavior. Scope of spiritual literacy. The scope of spiritual literacy is very broad and covers various aspects of life, including relationship with God, includes faith, worship, prayer, gratitude, reliance, and surrender to God. Relationship with oneself, self-awareness, emotional control, self-reflection, and the ability to understand the meaning of life experiences. Relationship with fellow human beings, empathy, honesty, compassion, tolerance, justice, and mutual respect. Relationship with nature, concern for the environment, maintaining the balance of nature, and responsibility as an vicegerent on earth. Of spiritual literacy, relationship with God. includes faith, worship, and surrender to God. 2. Relationship with oneself, self-awareness, and the ability to understand the meaning of life experience. 3. Relationship with others, empathy, honesty, and mutual respect. 4. Relationship with nature, concern for the environment, maintaining the balance of nature, and responsibility as a calypso on earth. Of spiritual literacy, relationship with God includes faith, worship, and surrender to God. Relationship 2. Relationship with oneself, self-awareness, and the ability to understand the meaning of life experience. 3. Relationship with others, empathy, honesty, and mutual respect. 4. Relationship with nature, concern for the environment, maintaining the balance of nature, and responsibility as a calypso on earth. Component spiritual literacy. 1. Self-awareness. This awareness fosters a humble attitude because humans realize that they have limitation and need God's help. 2. Understanding values and moral. Spiritual literacy instills moral values such as honesty, justice, responsibility, patience, and empathy. 3. The search for meaning and purpose in life. One of the main characteristics of spiritual literacy is a person's ability to understand the meaning of life. Relationship with God. Spiritual literacy cannot be separated from human relationship with God. This relationship is realized through worship, prayer, gratitude, and surrender. 5. Relationship with other humans. Spiritual literacy encourages the growth of empathy, tolerance, and social awareness. 6. Relationship with nature. Spiritual literacy also includes the awareness that humans are part of nature. Component of spiritual literacy. Spiritual literacy consists of several main interconnected components. 1. Self-awareness. Self-awareness is the main foundation of spiritual literacy. Through self-awareness, a person is able to recognize who they are, what their life purpose is, and acknowledge their strength and weakness. This awareness fosters humility as humans realize their limitation and need God's help. Self-awareness also helps a person control emotion, not be easily angered, and be capable of introspection when making mistakes. 2. Understanding values and morality. Spiritual literacy instills moral values such as honesty, justice, responsibility, patience, and empathy. These values become guidelines for action in personal, academic, and social life. With good spiritual literacy, a person does not just choose action that benefit themselves, but also considers their impact on others. 3. Search for meaning and purpose in life. One of the main characteristics of spiritual literacy is a person's ability to understand the meaning of life. Life is viewed not just as a series of worldly activities, but as a journey that has purpose and value. This understanding helps individuals remaining strong in the face of failure, trials, and suffering, because they believe that every event holds wisdom and a lesson. 4. Relationship with God. Spiritual literacy cannot be separated from a person's relationship with God. This relationship is manifested through worship, prayer, gratitude, and surrender. A person who has a good spiritual relationship will experience inner peace and not easily despair. The relationship with God also forms the awareness that every action will be accounted for, thereby encouraging honest and responsible behavior. 5. A relationship with fellow human beings. Spiritual literacy encourages the growth of empathy, tolerance, and social concern. A spiritual literacy individual is capable of appreciating difference, helping others, and fostering harmonious social relationships. This attitude is important in community life, especially in environments with diverse culture, religious, and life view backgrounds. 6. A relationship with nature. Spiritual literacy also includes the awareness that humans are part of nature. Nature is not just a resource to be exploited, but a truth that must be protected. The action of maintaining clean lines, conserving resources, and preserving the environment are tangible forms of spiritual literacy. Of spiritual literacy. 1. Forming a personality with noble morals. 2. Increasing inner peace. 3. Cultivating meaning and purpose in life. 4. Improving the quality of social relationship. 5. Service as an ethical foundation for decision making. Benefits of spiritual literacy. Spiritual literacy provides many benefits for individuals and society, including forming a virtuous personality. Individuals become more honest, patient, and responsible. Increasing inner peace, helping a person face stress, life pressure, and failure with a positive attitude. Cultivating meaning and purpose in life. Life is oriented not only towards material aspects, but also toward values and utility. Improving the quality of social relationship, forming attitudes of empathy, tolerance, and concern for others, becoming an ethical foundation for decision making, helping a person act wisely and morally in difficult situations. Of spiritual literacy. Spiritual literacy plays an important role in various aspects of life, including 1. In education, 2. In social life, 3. In the workplace and professional world, 4. In facing the challenge of the times. Of spiritual literacy. Spiritual literacy plays an important role in various aspects of life, including in education, instilling moral values and character so that students are not only intellectually intelligent but also spiritually mature. In social life, creating a harmonious society that is tolerant and mutually respectful of difference. In the professional and work world, becoming the basis of work ethic, honesty, responsibility, and integrity. In facing the challenges of the era, helping individuals face modernization, moral crisis, and life pressure with a wise and meaningful attitude. Spiritual literacy is the ability to understand and practice spiritual values in everyday life. Spiritual literacy helps individuals find meaning in life, develop moral character, and serves as a moral foundation for thinking and acting. With good spiritual literacy, humans are able to live a balanced, meaningful, and responsible life in facing the various challenges of the times. For your attention, if there are any mistakes, I apologize as much as possible. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.